want to show you guys what's going on. Make we turn we roll, but they call it 360. We know the girl them on TikTok now that I'm doing a 360 right now. I'm hustling them for the corners, yes, so. Yo, big up the Johnny. Big up Johnny, big up Fatty, their mother. All of the hustlers been for the corner, yes, so. I gotta be up for him, but wonder. Every time you do it, don't catch somebody. I'm there, you know, I wonder. Big up water from international and local in the right mouth of the vocal. The girl, them asking me, alright, I know. Alright, big up on the first and just let me know. Alright, the tune, yo, me I do a song. The name I love the Garrison. So big up them Garrison man. Them Garrison man, big up we have to big up them and Garrison who come from. Big up GX, big up Bangkok. Big up the way I rock for East Kingston. My name is King Nyah, I'm king of the island of Jamaica. If you never know, type now TikTok or YouTube. Our TikTok or YouTube. Ghetto, in the ghetto. In the ghetto, yeah, me love down in the garrison. In the ghetto, in the ghetto, in the ghetto, yeah, me love down in the garrison. Yeah, look is so cheap, sinking a fence, on a rubbish in a heap, na the garrison. Some police don't thief, the pimper, the pastor, the dan, and the chief. Thank the Lord for me garrison people who don't own a house but them have 3 vehicles. Thank the Lord for me garrison girl, them make me smoke and drink and dance with me problem. Thank the Lord for me garrison. People who proud work hard, anything you have you can have it too. And the folks from the men who still got the garrison attitude. Yo, play me tune because you know. You see that tune now? It's up on TikTok, I love the Garrison, King Nyah. My first music video, I'm a farmer. All who don't know King Nyah, a farmer from Riversdale, St. Catherine. Over a decade I've been doing farming. A few years ago I won a storytelling competition. They gave me $375, $375,000. That's what I got as prize money, and from that I crown myself king. Me say me is a millionaire, and that me tell myself. And we've been building it ever since. YouTube, TikTok, King of Jamaica, King Nyah. I want to promote this song because this song is promoting the love of the so-called low-class people in Jamaica. I am from there, and I'm going to the highest class possible. Hold on. Pull up the tune. Now what you gonna do? Me never gonna do it for now. Me never do it for now. What you gonna do with the one done the last week? Last week I come down here as my first official time. I do nothing there so. I'm waiting one dan come speak something on the mic. Hold on. Let's show you what we are dealing with. And I remix the tune. Prince and answer, we are the kings in Jamaica, right? Aye. I spoke to the king, suffer and people give you Papa Waterfall. Hear me now? Big up Waterfall. King Nyah love this. Get out. Yeah, me love down in the garrison. In the ghetto. In the ghetto. In the ghetto. Yeah, me love down in the garrison. Where Nookie sell cheap. Thinking of fence, but no rubbish in a heap, na the garrison. Some police come thief, the pimper, the pastor, the dan, and the chief. That the Lord for the garrison people out where my house, but them have 3 vehicles. Pull up on one dan, me like what you do last week, my brother. Me like what you do last week, and that's why I'm stressed. I'm playing that touch now music. Me like the box where you give it. And say, go and go do music, man, the water from you. That's something I do, me soon mix it right. Well, I know. King Nyah, tell them. Get out. Get out.
No power.
Get out. Get out. Big up yourself, get to peel up down in the garrison. We are Nookie self deep. Some king of fence, but no rubbish in a deep, not the garrison. Some police don't thief, the pimp or the pastor, the dan or the chief. Thank the Lord for me garrison people who do one house, but them have 3 vehicles. Thank the Lord for me garrison girl, they make me smoke and drink and dance with me problem. Thank the Lord for me garrison people who proud, work hard, anything you have, we can have it too. Thank the Lord for me garrison people who live on the main with the attitude of the ghetto. Yes, the ghetto, in the ghetto. What? Yeah, me love dog in the garrison, in the ghetto. Show up on it. Yeah, ghetto, in the ghetto. Yes, me love dog in the garrison. People say what they feel, say what you feel, but the garrison people them are real. And the pain what we feel like sweet sometimes, but sometimes it tough like sweet. This a me garrison and them. Big up the hard working garrison man them. Garrison divas, the garrison and them. Me, born and grew up a backbush. That's a ghetto. Ghetto. That's a ghetto. 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 Me love burning on the garrison. Different show, hold on now. It's King of Jamaica show. That's the super on right now. That's only the first time I ever write. After moving the 275,000, I feel like I do all the money in the world. Buy my buy a laptop and a speaker box like done. Don't still go on new thing, my name is King Nyah. Here, who know me? I am King of Jamaica. Perfect. You can't mix that up, Nyah. That you can't do that. Perfect, man. By the way, people, remember now, we just start the music, you know. You have to take time with me. You see them guys over here, though? A brand new start for a 40-year-old man. I'm starting brand new with my life. And we're going forward. Highest level. And that's how we are taking it. And we are carrying all of them people out with.
Our song is for sing.
Get up. I am King of Jamaica. King. Cause I am a money maker. Money maker. Me work hard for the paper. Hey, Cheddar. I am King of Jamaica. Yeah, I am King of Jamaica. Cause I am a money maker. Me work smart for the paper. So me a king. Yeah, the girls them a call me king for jam rock and me stir now me saucy. Yeah, me jam and tell me work and me work till me hit the jackpot. Now the world and me dirt and a me the anthem. Me is a Jamaican money man. Jam down me make my money from. With the Jamaican money plan. And that's why them a call me King of Jamaica. Cause I am a money maker. Me work hard for the paper. So me a King of Jamaica, yeah, I am me a King of Jamaica. Cause I am a money maker. Me work smart for the paper. So me a king. And me a go buy everything a jam down. Yeah, jam down sea and damn down sun. That's all when me ugly me handsome. Cause the pretty jam down the line alone. So me a go buy jam down eyes. Jam down teeth for me, jam down smile. So all when you see me Facebook profile, I will heap of likes, but me still jam down, yes. Me a go buy over Dolphin Cove, so me get any girl with me love. Me a go buy over Falmouth Pier, and have the girl them that up over there. And when me buy Blue Mountain, me make girl water run like fountain. Ooh, so me buy Red Stripe and Ray and Nephew. Me money so loud, you with a few. So all when your brother do know, you sure can ask your sister. Yeah, Nyah full of do, pocket full of Prime Minister. Me got Manly, me got Shira. Nanny and me wife and me helper. Me feel for your fish for me breakfast. So when me go buy over Asia, I'm King of Jamaica. Cause I am a money maker. Me work hard for the paper. So me a King of Jamaica. Yeah, I am me a King of Jamaica. Big up. Yo, me want to do a love song about you. Hear that tune now, swear. Me want to do a love song when me write last week and it never work. Well, I but never work. Because there are a lot of beautiful women down here. Yeah, my last week I never know work for a woman down here. There are a lot of beautiful women here. I just want to show you guys what's going on. Make us turn we roll. What them call it 360. Hi! Me know the girl them on TikTok know that I'm doing a 360 right now.
and we're going to see all the beauty that is here, as well as some of the ugliness. The King Nyah is ugly like sin. But you know, let's show me something. Hear this. About we are about to know. We just have a bit of vibes on the harbor of Kingston. Feel alright so far. Feel like the light are going a little, but it feels cool. That's cool. We're betting one down there. Yo, Tijani, remember how to dance now? Look more. Nyah are the in thing. Yeah. And so every girl say, them say them love of me sin thing. So me have whole heap of fat girl. Yeah, whole heap of slim thing. I don't really say me pimping, but for them go the one. So me do the giving. That boy they want, but we don't want that boy then. Him have chichi man a pinch him. King Nyah and the girl man. Yeah, King Nyah and the girl man. All when you dumb you understand. See a Nyah and the girl. King Nyah and the girl man. Yeah, King Nyah and the girl man. All when you dumb you understand. Nyah and the girl. We are so I did that too last week, but people them like it. So what you never do now? Me I do it again, even though me never have it come a plan. Alright. This one is called Run Come. See if you go one verse and a chorus. I build your ability thing I learn. We learn how to do music right in the public eye. See people around we are watching here. Whoever mistake me make so far and none of them no good no good. Make a big boo-boo when I tell my wife and them no boo me. And you know Jamaican people them hard. Big up the rest of them. Them a run come when me papa rubber pan. Like tabby. Them a run come. Hear me now? Last week me big up ROK when me I start that tune. I'm bigging them up again. I big up Ocean 7 last week when me I start that tune and I big them up again. Glorious. I big you up again. I Manuel, you are the boss at the center of this whole operation. I'm bigging you up again. You big up one down right side of me, so. Tijani, Fatty, Lati, King Nyah. The girl them just a run. With me papa rubber band. Like choppy. Them a run calm. They must say me a titan. Them call me this stamina, daddy. Them run calm. Them a papa me and say them a piece of me stamina, body. Run calm. All of the girls just run me down. Them do Nyah run too. King of Jamaica. Yeah, Nyah run too. Me a feel rich like Bunty. So me say auntie and bun floss and bun stunty. Young yellow give me them something, and me take it like a dumpling. To me call them thick like dumpling. When them see it, she shall just a run calm. When me papa rubber pan, like choppy. Them a run calm. Them a say me a titan. Them call me this stamina, daddy. Run calm. Some a pop me and them a piece of me stamina, body. Them run calm. The girl them just run me down. Them do Nyah run too. Alright, one dance, I'm a bad man, you know, from Badman place. You're another bad man, you know, Badman Rasta. We take one little tune. This was a sad story. Fantan Moja get to be tied up now some problem. I took this here, I took this and tell you I see a little thing, a little one word, but here I go now. At them, they kill a youth on TikTok. A youth at those live stream. I don't want to go sad story, everybody like them ice cream, but it's the point me I make. Live on TikTok, them bust out a youth ever. Them start point finger me here, Fantan Moja name a call, and them drag up a whole video with Fantan Moja chat some whole for Batman thing. Tie up a whole for thing, it real sticky. Me take the vibes and me splice it. Me splice in voice and say, yo, me make something positive out of a very negative situation. And this is my girl tune I come up with. Me have to edit like kind of slappish. Big up one down, my right hand boss, right there, so. Batman Rasta. And the boy will be a salute. Big. And the hardest to the clans. Yeah, salute Fantan Moja. To the Redis Road, to the one. Okay, the girl, madam, salute the most. And I just throw me step in, say the never sweat, never worry, never fret. You don't wanna taste my style, but can't see me yet. Single but no celebrate. The Jennifer was shelling it. Find them, friend them, dog them, go over.
That's exactly what I said. Took over when she lay down in a me. Michelle, look well, so me make her skin. She coulda never tell. Say me a wood in a sheep shell little. With a vein around, I get me blood warm. Keep calm. Me love, give it an eye, auntie me love. I see me love, Sherry. Love ya. Not done yet. I'm just get another hit tune. Another hit tune. Gonna be a billionaire. Yes, I'm gonna rich soon, but I'm never gonna be a slave queen, cause I'm gonna be a player from the crib to the room and hell. That tune you're right. In a me mother living room, East Kingston, Jamaica, and De La Vega, Sweet Town. Yeah, I'm on a repeat and a heat when I'm on a step it like a razor. In a Mama Africa, few years later, we'll be better. Ow, 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 ow.
Yeah, it's a bad man, Rasta. Remember the young big. And the hardest, to the class, to the cash class, to the running road, to the one, to the rooms, Jamaican one. We're back on it. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back.
King Charles, I hope you hear that. We're bad that are Jamaican people. We not take no rule. Jamaican people don't take no rule. There is no white man that rules over this land here called Jamaica. The ruler of this land is King Nyah.
Wanna don't play with me. Swear man. We are showing the walk on. We are showing the walk on. We are showing the walk on. Me have one little tune I did do it last week. Sad tune, but I could go in right now. We are going on a different kind of vibe. One dance say love the badness, you know. I say badness, but you have to love it after that time. Bygone to Saigon, cause the war's still going on. I gotta say bygone to Saigon. In my mind, peace lingers on. Yeah, man, I gotta say bygone to Saigon, cause the war's still going on. I gotta say bygone to Saigon, bygone, Saigon. They say they fighting to attain peace, and no warning that ain't reach. Oh, the war knows that won't cease. Still buried in the belly of the beast now. Children start to scream out. Neighbors start to Nyah man got to leave out. Yeah man, I gotta check myself away from this place. You're rats in this race, and I'm a man, not a mouse. And them a turn day night. Them a take day even wheel to the shoulder, faith to the fatherland, cause him never be like. We don't wheel in this rain. We won't wheel on restraint. I ain't giving up now. We ain't giving up. It's death before this honor or this day. The blood run like a river Jordan. No one wanna play the small one, but I will play the smart one and take my depart with caution. Bygone to Saigon, how's the war's going on? I gotta say bygone to Saigon. Bygone, Saigon, yeah. I miss it tonight too, and I'm gonna do it for a while, but when I work with it. I learn. We learn how we are building.
Low power. Please charge.
We're dancing through the journey and the journey. The journey and journey and
We not going like this here. I put dancing to me ever right. We got the expert in the place.
Hold on with that thing now. Hold on with that. Let's go in that tune first. I'm going to write a tune that dedicate to me and dedicate to Imani. My boss Imani will dedicate a tune, but another one now. Hold on, this will go nice. Pull up this Nyah. Pull up this. This is called Mrs. the King Charles, that tune now. Turn up it. Load it, man.
Alright. Bring a camera near. Watch it. I'm coming through. You can't stop it when I'm coming through. What you gon' do? You gon' fight me. I know that's what you gon' do. You don't like me, why I don't know just what you up to. However, love is the order of my day. So I send love to you on my merry way. But you have to watch me come true. You have to watch me come true. Watch it, I'm on the move. No more traffic, no standing on my shoes. Me no sing the blues, no sing the sign on the bottles. It's like them let loose, don't cruise. Can't stepping on my shoes when me stepping on the streets. Girls to go and goose. Them say now you're bossy, but the music chose me never me choose it. Come in and choose it, choose the rooster on the roost. And you you want for what me come to. You want for what me come to. Now I float like a butterfly, I bite like a handstool. Now you're other man, you will get trampled standing in my way.
To Imani. That's one I know, as for my break, you know, you see the vibe when you get them on a place, oh my God. Anytime I write a split down here, so, I feel a different level of it. We'll big up Imani for them kind of privilege. Big up the father, motherfucker. This is a new song we write this week.
I don't think I know it yet, you know. I practice where I practice and I learn. You're good.
Right now, in the green, come purple, pushing on me, no pushing on me, profit, no diddy please, pass me a profit, right straight on me brain, and your flame on me in there. Pull up me now, I'm gonna mess up with him now, pull me along it on now, relax. I plus me don't want to read him last, more with you the bad with him. When you get to this blurred dog tune. I will send that tune to Music Mansion, Jewish lawyer, Music Mansion, Mobile. The man they say we give you a boss, you know, international reggae music. Hear this song? I will attack right now. One night, I like a watch it now. In the green, purple, pushing on me, no pushing on me, profit, no biggie please, pass me a profit. Right straight on me brain, in a taste of me aim, and a green, then I got to smoke it. Everybody's a urban hustling. Should I mind not already spoken? With my weed and drink, peace man do. We man no eat and no eat that thing. Do dream and dream with three fat things. Them type of thing man a dream and think. So I profit, meditation and go for the novice. Then the peace get that way. While I'm beating the girls with the buffies. Doing the high life. High life.
I want that.
High life. I love my life.
King of Jamaica.
Alright, so what is done? So me I close up with a song we did do it last week. Big up Kid, Music Mansion, Mobile. But big up the tune last week and say international hit song. Yo Kid, we are saying that tune to my mother. It's called I Got It. It's a love song, my first official love song. I think it's a great song. We did it last week and it never do good.
That's sad though, what's it? You know.
Neighbors with capacity. Till you see my legacy, my brothers and Broadway. Listen to my melody, acres. I'm sitting on acres. Some boy bring bread, but I brought the baker. Bill Gates didn't see me. Count out your tree, wish girl I am the genie. And I got it all. And I wanna give it to you. I got it all.
And I wanna give it to you. I started over, I never intro it good enough.
Mama Ferry, the people who watch me on YouTube know my mother always there in the kitchen and Bill vibes. I love you, miss. I love you, man. Me and you one more time, little argument, but you don't know. I got it all the world. You never see capacity. You see my legacy, my brothers and Broadway. Listen to my melody, acres. I'm sitting on acres. Some boy bring bread, but I brought the baker. Bill Gates can't see me. Count out your tree, wish girl I am the genie. And I got it all. And I wanna give it to you. I got it all, girl. And I wanna give it to you. I got it all. And I wanna give it to you. I got it all. Second verse. I just bought the moon. She says she want the sun, so me I buy it soon in rooms in the UAE. That don't faze me, cause that's a joy me. I'm so crazy, sunset. But don't lazy, so don't blame me. But don't check, I want to get a lot of my time. One got to have a lot more than a lot of money. But you get a lot of my time. Cause a moment with you worth more than my gold mines. And I got it all. And I wanna give it to you. I got it all. And I wanna give it to you. I got it all, girl. And I wanna give it to you. I know what they're writing about me, I try. I done it. Oh, I wanna give it to you. Mama Ferry, all that girl them will behave themselves. I'm gonna give them everything in the world, oh no.
Yeah, me know, me have a new dancer, Bill. It's like that's why I look for me, alright. Like you told me because it's too loud, man, you see? Yeah. It name what's the
It's a dance, people ain't crying at him. The lights are going on, no.
Don't big up Chippy Mafia.
The first dancing to alright, you wanna do that. You want that for the girl dance dancing. You wanna do that. brand name, what's the right? See that? Me just build a brand new boat, brand new sneakers, a brand new shoes. Me just build a brand new move, it's easy to do like cruise. Wait me, rock the rider, rock the rider, rock the rider, rock the move, watch the rider, watch the rider, watch the pull up, big up Sonic from the X-Road, big up Rockford. So where I'm Mountain View, big up East Kingston, and that's where the answer come from. Watch the right, big Nyah, Rwanda. The kickstart, broke up, the pistol, the power start, clean like a pull up. Ride on! You hear him tell you?
I want to start bad body.
But don't you ride like lightning? Man, if you ride like lightning, then you flash like thunder.
No one that is fine, you would be see that.
We have to balance the mafia. We didn't play a few, we didn't make it, brother. We see where it's up.
Man, if you ride like lightning, then you flash like thunder.
Come in. I want that riding.
Everything line up. Look now, miss man. We ride out and we must go the distance. Me just buy a brand new boot, brand new sneakers, a brand new shoes. Me just build a brand new move. It's easy to do like cruise. Wait name. What's the rider? What's the rider? What's the rider? What's the move? What's the rider? What's the rider? What's the rider? Tap the move. Katana te kana le boy like a gana. Kweng venga kweng them patriot a send but a ninja me ninja. Like me ninja. Cut off tail pipe fire shot in a cylinder. What's the ride? What's the ride? With a big batty girl from the big pan the IG. What's the ride? What's the ride? With the new dance from Jamaica east side me. What's the ride? What's the ride? What's the ride? What's the move? What's the ride? What's the ride? What's the ride? That's the move, What's the rider? What's the rider? What's the rider? You wonder the boss! You wonder the boss! Then I done! Hey, the boss! Yo, boy, look at me, boy, look! The thing go on, we get little light, we get little niceness. Just buy a brand new boot, brand new sneakers, a brand new shoe. Me just build a brand new move, it's easy to do like cruise. Wait me, what's the rider? What's the rider? What's the rider? What's the move? What's the rider? What's the rider? What's the rider? That's the move. Katana te kana le boy like a gana. Yang a quick them patriot a send but a ninja me ninja. Like me ninja, cut off tail pipe fire shot in a cylinder. What's the right? What's the right? Big body girl post, big body IG. What's the ride? What's the ride? Where they know dance out of Jamaica east side. What's the ride? What's the ride? What's the ride? What's the move? What's the ride? What's the ride? What's the ride? That's the move. What's the ride? What's the ride? What's the ride? What's the move? What's the ride? What's the ride? What's the ride? That's the move.